Everyone, welcome to another GCSE chemistry video by SMARTPATHTUTORING. This is about compounds. Atoms join together to make compounds. When elements react, atoms combine with other atoms to form compounds. Compounds are substances formed from two or more elements. The atoms of each are in fixed proportions throughout the compound, and they are held together by chemical bonds. Making bonds involves atoms giving away, taking or sharing electrons. Only the electrons are involved. The nuclei of the atoms aren't affected at all when a bond is made. It's usually difficult to separate the original elements of a compound out again. A chemical reaction is needed to do this. A compound which is formed from a metal and non-metal consists of ions. The metal atoms lose electrons to form positive ions, and the non-metal atoms gain electrons to form negative ions. The opposite charges, positive and negative, of the ions mean that they are strongly attracted to each other. This is called ionic bonding. Examples of compounds which are bonded ionically include sodium chloride, magnesium oxide, and calcium oxide. Atoms join together to make compounds. A compound formed from non-metal consists of molecules. Each atom shares an electron with another atom. This is called covalent bonding. Examples of compounds that are bonded covalently include hydrogen chloride gas, carbon monoxide, and water. The properties of a compound are usually totally different from the properties of the original elements. For example, if iron, a lustrous magnetic metal, and sulfur, a nice yellow powder, react, the compound formed, iron sulfide, is a dull grey, solid lump and doesn't behave anything like either iron or sulfur. A formula shows that what atoms are in a compound. Just as elements can be represented by symbols, compounds can be represented by formulas. The formulas are made up of elemental symbols in the same proportions that the elements can be found in the compound. For example, carbon dioxide is a compound formed from a chemical reaction between carbon and oxygen. It contains one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. There might be brackets in a formula. For example, calcium hydroxide. The little number outside the bracket applies to everything inside the brackets. So in CaOH2, there is one calcium atom, two oxygen atoms, and two hydrogen atoms. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.